Guys, welcome to my channel. For today's video, we're going to cook nilagang buto-buto or fork. So, before we start to cook, I will show you my ingredients. My ingredients is the fork. So, they have a bone here. Bone, so it's yummy. It's good for the soup. And then garlic, onion, nor cubes. I use beef. You can use fork or beef. And then cabbage, potato, salt, and pepper. And pressure cooker. So I will cook in the pressure cooker my nilaga. Okay, we try to cook in the pressure cooker the nilagang buto-buto. So let's go. We start now. This is my fork. It called in Philippines is buto-buto. So again, I will let it boil first from my pressure cooker. Then it's easy to cook. Okay, it's easy to get soft in pressure cooker. So let's go. We start to cook in the pressure cooker. Okay. There, and I put that already a salt a little bit, and then we will wait until it's soft. Okay. So we need to cut. Let's make potato. Like this. And then the other one also. Guys, so we already cut the potato. Look, I slice it with like this cut. And like a medium cut. And then garlic. It's a little bit only. And onion. And the cabbage, I cut it like this. So normally in the Philippines we cut it a big one, but in here I cut it in a little bit because it's easy to eat for the kids if it's small. So like that. So later I will show you how to put it together. Okay. And so before you open it, the pressure cooker, you need to put it up. This one. Then you can open it. When I start to cook, I already don't forget to take it off this. Okay. So first we put the potato and the nor beef. I like nor beef. It's more tasty if it's nor beef. And the onion and the garlic. You can also not put the garlic if you don't want, but I like garlic, so I put the garlic. If you have a choice, you don't really need to put the garlic, don't worry. And then pepper. So it's hard, this one, so I use the other one. Make it easier for me, this one. I use this. Later we put it this the last one. Okay. So now I gotta close again. I will put 14. Okay. We will wait again. That yummy. So the carrot is better. It's well done, and the meat. Ooh, look at that! It's really soft now. I will show you. It's soft. See, really soft. And next, we put this one. Okay. Guys, ayan. So my phone got full, so it stopped my video. So I already put the cabbage here As you can see, that one. And then I already also put extra fish sauce. It called in the Philippines is patis. And then now I will close it for a while for the cabbage because the cabbage is easy to cook. I let it warm. So in these settings they have a lot of kind of, you know, it's like rice soup, ribs, meat, cake, and everything. And then now I keep it warm here. Then at least the cabbage can cook quickly. And that's all. I think it's easy, right? Thanks for watching, and I hope you like this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye guys, thank you, I hope you enjoyed. Bye bye. Here na lang. We put it now. Done with my nilagang buto-buto. So let's eat na guys. So I hope you like this video, and I hope you like my recipe. And if you have any requests, just comment down below. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye guys. Thanks for watching.